Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your Week 6 schedule and screencast video. So, I just want to run through the week's activities. This week we will have two more discussion boards. I believe discussion board number 7 is our last discussion board where we discuss the article Blue Collar Brilliance. Once again, Blue Collar Brilliance is the subject article for your summary essay. Well, I'm going to emphasize that everybody read the chapter in the textbook on pages 30 to 37, become familiar with how to go about writing a summary essay. Later on this week, I will post a lecture video about the art of summarizing. Should do that before Friday so that it will help you um, post that discussion board number 8 activity. So, and responses will be due by the end of the week. Okay, so if we have any questions or issues about the week's activity, just to take a look at those discussions, we want to dig into discussion board number 7 a little bit here with a kind of a wrap up post for Rose's article, how he looks at his argument and about intelligence and those routines critical to performance in blue collar work. And then also, I'll explain in the discussion board video some of the traps and some of the activities that lead to a successful summary. Once again, if you have any questions or issues, you can send me an email. I wish you all good luck.